Hey, so if you're planning to move your files to the cloud in 2026, migrating them to SharePoint is a really smart move. I'll walk you through it step by step so it's simple and smooth. All right, first, open SharePoint in your browser and sign in with your Microsoft account. Now, go to your site and open the document library where you want to upload your files. Next, click on Upload and select files or folders from your computer. You can also drag and drop files directly into SharePoint for a faster upload. For larger migrations, you can use the Sync option with OneDrive to move files in bulk. Make sure your folders are organized properly so everything stays structured after migration. Once uploaded, review your files and confirm everything transferred correctly. Finally, adjust sharing permissions so the right people can access your files. So that's how you can migrate files to SharePoint in 2026. It's a simple way to keep your data secure and accessible. And hey, if this helped, do like, share, and subscribe for more simple tech guides like this. Thanks for watching.